Guys, in this video of YouTube marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to add a moderator to your YouTube channel. Well guys, moderators are very important or sometimes very crucial person on your YouTube channel, because let's say you have a good amount of subscribers on your YouTube channel, and sometimes it become very hard to manage all the engagements like comments and all on your YouTube channel. So in order to manage those comments, in order to reply to those comments, or any kind of extra management, like in the live session they'll be able to manage the comments, they'll be able to reply to the comments on the live session or live stream as well. So what you can do is you can appoint or you can add moderators to your YouTube channel. You can add multiple moderators. There's no any like specific limit. You can add multiple moderators to your channel, and those moderators will be able to manage your comments and the whole engagement thing, right? They'll be not able to do anything extra, but they will be able to manage the comments and the engagement thing. So basically, you maybe you have hired the person, or you have asked your friends and family to help you to moderate your YouTube channel. So what you can do is you can add those physical person as a moderator to your YouTube channel. Right now, let's directly jump into my YouTube channel, the example or the demo YouTube channel which we have created in this course itself. I'll show you how to add the moderators to your YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see, I have logged in into my YouTube channel. Now, as I told you that on an initial basis, let's say you have 1000, 2000, or maybe 10,000 subscribers. So you might not need a moderator for your YouTube channel. But gradually, when your channel grows, you get 100,000 subscribers, or maybe 1 million subscribers, 10 million subscribers. So at that point of time, or at that level of your YouTube channel, you need moderators to manage all your comments and all, right? Even in live stream, let's say you have maybe 100,000 subscribers and you are going live on YouTube. So maybe you'll be getting thousands of comments at the same point of time. So in that time frame, you need moderators to manage all the comments, right? So that's why we need moderators. Now, in order to add moderator to your YouTube channel, it is not a rocket science. It is pretty simple. You just need to scroll a little bit down this menu, this left hand side menu, right? And you need to click on this. Even you don't need to scroll it. This is the last option, second last option, which is settings. Just click on the settings option, and here you'll need to click on permissions, not permissions, community, right? Just below the permissions you'll see that community option, and when you click on this community option, here you'll be able to see managing moderators. So in the managing moderator option, you just need to copy the channel URL of the person whom you want to add as a moderator on your YouTube channel. So you just need to copy their YouTube channel's URL and paste it here. You don't need to add any email address or any user ID. You just need to add the channel URL. You can see the message over here that it says paste the channel URL of the user to add as a managing moderator, right? So keep this thing in mind. You are adding channel URLs only. And below this we do have standard moderators, but we right now we just want to add managing moderator who can manage your engagement thing like commenting and all, right? So here what I'm gonna do is I do have opened one more YouTube channel over here by the name of Saurabh Sharma. So I'll just copy the link of this channel's URL, copy, and go back to my this YouTube channel and paste this URL over here, and you will be able to see like this, right? So once you add it like this, you just need to hit the save button, and you'll be able to see a small option over here that it says settings saved, which means the moderator has been added to your YouTube channel. So to check whether the moderator has been added or not, you can go back to that setting option on the community option, and here you'll be able to see the channel logo and the Saurabh Sharma has been added as a moderator, and Saurabh Sharma's YouTube channel will appear a notification on their Gmail and all that they have become a managing moderator on this YouTube channel. So this is how you can add channel moderator to your YouTube channel. I hope you understood the process, and it is pretty simple and easy. You don't need to get confused, but still if you are confused in the process, or any kind of have any kind of other question or query, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself.